Your cat's color is spilling their secrets. Got a Siamese? That cat's a chatty queen. Loves drama, side-eye, and being the center of attention. Basically, your personal hype man with claws. Russian blue owner? You've got a silent genius. Chill AF, but plotting world domination while you sleep. Golden Fluff? Total diva energy. Demands treats like royalty and expects a red carpet for nap time. Some cats show love by clinging to you 24/7. Others stalk you like you're their Netflix true crime doc. What's your cat's color? Drop it below and don't ghost. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell for more cat intel.